Let's have a look today at replacing the Workshop Professional Precision Adjust generic stone holder or original stone holder with either a 6-inch standard or a 4-inch type standard stone holder to be able to use most stones available on the market, either in the 6-inch or 4-inch format, the size. This is the typical Edge Pro type size, and this is your typical either KME or any 4-inch type sharpening stone system. So it's as easy as unscrewing the original rod with the stone holder, sliding this off. Be sure to check your little rubber stopper. Taking the new, this is the 6-inch stone holder. Slide the rod in via the tightening knob here, all the way through. You can see that recess is nice and deep inside there. Place your stopper in. Screw this into position. Now you have a standard format size 6-inch stone holder. Simply loosen this, align it, and do not over tighten this. This really is just meant to snug it up. It won't fall out at all, just slightly snugged up like that, just finger tight. Now you have a standard 6-inch style stone installed into the Workshop Professional Precision Adjust. This is the second generation of the stone holders, which means you can get further movement as the rod goes all the way inside and all the way to the back. You also have a little stowage parking adapter to be able to swivel this up, pop it into position up there, and just like the original, it'll stand out of your way right up there. There's also space, just like the original, to be able to use your angle finder. If you want to use an alternative angle finder, not the Workshop one, you also have a flat area here, anywhere to place your aftermarket stone digital angle cube on here, not the original angle cube if you wanted to. Installation of the 4-inch is exactly the same. You simply screw it into position. It also has an area to park, attach itself in the top here, slide it out of way so it can sit in the top here, same as the 6-inch. And with the 4-inch, same thing. Install your stones, align them, and simply snug it up lightly. No need to over tighten this. And that's a 4-inch stone. It can be used in the Workshop Professional Precision Adjust. These are Columbia Gorge Stoneworth diamond stones. And here is your typical 4-inch small V-nev stones that can also be installed in here. Again, align them, just snug it up, don't over tighten it, and you can use your 4-inch stone on the Workshop Professional Precision Adjust. If you do swap around with stones while sharpening and the stones are different thicknesses, make sure to use your angle cube and readjust your angle back to the original sharpening angle while you swap stones. And these are the stone holders, leading edge stone holders sold by Gridamatic for the Workshop Professional Precision Adjust.